Hello student, today we will going to discuss about aim and objectives of teaching physical science. First of all, I would like to know about the difference between aim and objective. What is aim? Aim, what you hope to achieve in your life. Objective, the action you will take in order to achieve the aim. Aim are statements or intent. They are usually written in broad terms. They set out what you hope to achieve at the end of the project. Objectives, on the other hand, should be a specific statement that define measurable outcome. What step will be taken to achieve the desired objective? So both are different. Aim is the theoretical statement and objective is the practical of that theoretical statement. NCF stated that objective of science curriculum is on developing awareness among the learners about the interface of science, technology and society, sensitizing them especially to the issues of environment and health, and enable them to acquire practical knowledge and skill to enter the world work. Let's just know about differences between aim and objectives. Aim, these are long term goals. Objective, these are for specific and short term goals. Aims are decided at the macro level and objective are decided at micro level. Aim is very broad and comprehensive. Objective is narrow and specific. Aims are not definite and clear. Objectives are definite and clear. Aims is declarations of intent. That is why a subject is taught. Objective is declaration of achievement. That is what will be achieved after teaching. Aims can be achieved almost absolutely. Objectives can be achieved easily. Aims long time to be achieved. Objectives can be achieved in short specific time. Aims cannot be evaluated properly. Objective can be evaluated. Aims are subjective. Objective are objectives in nature. Aims are many factors are responsible for their achievement, like teacher, family, society, etc. In objective, mainly the subject teacher is responsible. Aims include goals as well as achievable objectives. Objective include the expected available goals. Aims are concerned with purpose and objectives are concerned with outcome or achievement. Aims are a bit vague and formal. Objectives are specific and functional. Aims are not so realistic or relevant. Objectives are realistic and relevant. Aims are theoretical and objective are practical. Let's just know about types of objective. There are two types of objective. First one is educational or behavioral objective and the other one is instructional objective. Let's just know about what is the difference between both the types of objective, educational and instructional. Educational objective related with expected behavioral change. Instructional objective related with teaching learning process. Scope of educational objective is broad and extensive and scope of instructional objective is narrow and limited. Educational objective is common and instructional objective is specific. Educational objective related with whole education and instructional objective related with a specific topic or subject. Base of the educational objective is philosophy and the base of the instructional objective is psychology. Educational objectives are theoretical and indirect. Instructional objectives are practical and direct. Educational objectives needs long time and instructional objective can be achieved in a classroom. Now we comes to a point, what is the objective of teaching physical or biological science? So various committees and commissions have made many recommendations. Some of them were published by Ministry of Education in 1956. Let's just go through them. Objectives of teaching physical science at primary level. To arouse interest in science, to inculcate habit of observation, exploration, appreciation, inquisitiveness and thinking, to develop creativity, to imbibe in them the value of respect towards nature, to develop healthy living habits. Objectives of teaching science at middle school: to maintain interest in the subject, to develop the ability of investigation and reach to generalization, to apply the information in daily life, to develop scientific attitude, creativity and hobbies, to accumulate knowledge and informations about the discovery and their discoveries or inventions. At the higher secondary level, objectives of teaching physical science should be taught as a discipline of mind. Science should be taught as a discipline of mind to make learner understand the impact of science and society and adjust according to it, to work with a specific with a scientific method. Recommendation of NCERT for objectives of teaching physical science. These are the recommendation. First one is to explore immediate surrounding. Second one, to put of questions about the things or happening around us, to collect answer or informations regarding these queries, to organize these facts or information and use them in a given situation. On the basis of data, the object, happening, phenomena or events should be classified. To find out cause-effect relationship from the above collected information, to analyze and draw inferences, to use previous knowledge or experience to solve the problems, to develop rational thinking towards experimental evidence and to make decisions on the basis of fact and data, to use national sources judiciously after their proper identification, to understand the role of scientists, researchers, discoverers in the development of science, to acquaint students with environmental problems and steps to prevent and control them, to use knowledge of science and technology for the betterment of community, to apply and observe science in our daily life, to inculcate culture and social values, to develop scientific attitude and temper and problem solving skill. So these are the difference between aims and objectives of teaching physical science and the objectives of physical science. Thanks for watching my channel AR Concept Learning. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.